Are you in support of the county's plan for LRT, or rapid bus railway, rapid bus transit? And why, if you are, or why not? And what will you do to ensure that the proposed plan is accessible for 58 constituents?
Boy, that's actually a little bit of a loaded question. And the reason that I say that is I'm absolutely in favor of the Bottomland line connecting our community to the larger metro area, if it's done fairly and equitably. I think that that's the piece that we have to really stop and think about. I mean, in my practice throughout the years, I've worked on some master plans around the transit stops on the Hiawatha line. I've looked at the impact that a line can have on the surrounding community. There are some negatives that are often associated right at first, and we have to be clear to people that right at first it's not going to be this great, oh my God, look at what's come to our city. There's going to be difficulties, and we have to be honest with people that it's going to take a while for us to adjust. It's going to take a while for some of that development to get built out. But eventually, 5 years after that line's in place, 10 years after that line's in place, it's going to have a huge impact. The thing about LRT, most people will say, well, what if there's not a job out in Maple Grove right off that stop? Well, you integrate the bus system so that it connects to those transit stops so that people can get to those other areas. Cuts their commute time, huge. So I'm in complete support. I think we need to be at these meetings. We need to be holding the county accountable on what they're telling us, and we also have to get them to be honest on what are some of their motivations and what they're doing moving forward. I have a little bit of skepticism, and I hope I'm wrong, but some of the decisions I've seen made and some of the voices that I've seen, spoken out about, it puts a little question mark in my mind about what is truly the intent. Is it to supply our community with access, or is it to allow people to get from downtown out to the target corporate headquarters?